What is this new update? I don't know. So this is a new update in Windows. Okay. So we'll just start with that class. Where are we yesterday? So we were discussing about these controls, right? Okay. Okay. So we have different controls available, like text box, label, and all. So now we'll see with some checkbox related and all function programs and all. First, we'll go with the text box. So again, I'm just showing the program from beginning. So see, for up two, three programs we practiced or something. Uh, I will just show like this. Otherwise, I can directly open from here. Then I can get it. But still, okay. So create a project. So please others be on mute if someone is not speaking. So online admin, can you please mute everyone? Okay. So here here we need to select what Windows. Okay, so people see here we will select what web application. So either you can search for it or you can get this from here by searching web applicatn. So now you got it now. Now click on next. Okay. So now what will happen, like, so we'll just see some properties for the text box. Okay. So and we'll see what are the properties for label and all. Okay. So now just select empty. I'm just clicking on create. So if someone is not getting these three windows like design, split, and source, so my suggestion, first thing, if you are not getting ASP.NET features, my suggestion, two things. So the first suggestion is you need to install Visual Studio, you need to modify Visual Studio, and you need to include the ASP.NET features. Okay, if still if you are facing same issue, then my suggestion would be like install Visual Studio 2019. Okay, you can practice all ASP.NET. Once it is done, you can remove 2019 or you can continue 2019 also. There is no problem. Okay, that's what my suggestion. So add, what is that? Web form. That's it. We are done. So whatever we want to keep, we can keep. Okay, this is done. Okay, so see here. So here we'll get like this. And if I want to drag and drop some controls in my application, then I need to go for toolbox. So the toolbox here it is. So people see here, we can drag and drop here, or we can drag and drop in design page. Wherever we want to drag and drop, we can drag and drop. Simple. So here what I will do, I will keep one label. Okay, label. So basically label, what is a label? Label is a caption to the text box or radio button or any control in ASP.NET. So label can be used as a caption. Caption is nothing but, see, by seeing label, okay, this is text box. Okay, this is what label. That's how we will conclude, right? That's the reason. And the second one is text box. So text box is of three types: single line, multi-line, and password. So we have the most important thing I will explain now here. So people see here. Okay. So here I'm keeping one button. Okay. So now, okay. So now see, here we have three labels and three text boxes. So now what I want to perform here is, so I will keep one more label here. So now when I enter username here, when I enter password here, whatever the value in my username I want to display here. That's what my target here. Okay. So now which text box value we need here to print in the label? Okay. Which text box value? Text box one. I mean this one. So I will rename all these things so that you will understand. So this is label one. So I will keep username. Okay. And now password. Oh, and here some address. Done. So now here I want to keep something and I will keep this one as output. Okay, so this is what. Okay, so we'll add color to this one, back color or something. Okay, so here we'll display the output. Now we have how many labels here? One, two, three. We have how many text boxes here? Three text boxes, and we have one button. So is this clear up to here? Yes, no. So now, now. So my requirement is when I enter username, comma password. So see, that may be valid or invalid, whatever it may be. This is our first program, that's why. So then when after entering address, if I click on button, I need to display welcome message on label on output. Yes. So now tell me. So now tell me. See, welcome message with your other name. Okay. This is what my requirement. Okay, see, I'm just explaining you guys how to make the coding easy. So just follow understand and just observe what I'm telling here. Okay. So see here. So now, what is the important thing? So we need to display the output on this one. And when we need to display, when I click on button. So if you want to write the code on button, so you need to double click on button. Then this one came. So you need to write the code here. Okay. When you will get the C# code here is, so where you want to get the specific action, there you need to double click. You got it, right? So now see here we have three text boxes, but which text box belongs to which one? How we will identify? Which label belongs to which one? How we will identify? If you right click on it, if you go to properties, then we have a property called ID. So this ID is nothing but particular identification. Like see, we have JNT roll numbers or university roll numbers. Why they are, see for example, if two people are studying in one college, person A, comma, person B, both are having name is something like A T E S T. His surname is A and his name is T-E-S-T, something like that. Okay, both are, see, he is some ABBB test and ACCC test, but while registering in their 10th standard or +2, everywhere they register like that only. Unfortunately, both of them don't know each other. Okay, this person A used to read 10 hours per day, and this person B don't know where he's having his books also. Every day he will go to college, he will play cricket, he will have some lunch there because he's staying in room, so there will be no food. That's the reason. So he will go to this college canteen and he will eat something and he will come back to his home. So meanwhile, he will have uh, some extra curriculum activities, ABCD XYZ he will do and he will come. But this person A is reading like anything. Now university board exams came. Then what happened? Person A wrote all the questions. He is expecting 100 marks. And this person B happily gave his white paper. Okay. So now how much marks we will get? 0. So finally the results came. The results came. This person A got 99 marks and this person B got 0 marks. Now both are having same name. So like see, for example, A test and both are same. Both names will be A test only. So then what happened? So this person be saying, so you have given wrong mark sheet to him. I am supposed to get that 99 marks. This person here did not wrote anything. I wrote everything. That's what he is telling lies now. Then how people will identify who wrote which one? So that is the reason they introduced JNT, roll numbers. Not only JNTU, they can have Andhra University or some other universities. Okay. Now what will happen? This roll number is unique. No other persons will get the duplicate roll number. So here you don't need to trust his words or something. You don't need to show his records or something. Then person B will have one more option. Can anyone guess? This person B will keep his, his roll number. Then both will get 0 marks. Happily both will enjoy. Okay. So okay. So but anyway, so how to identify for a control means same here text box 1. Okay. 1 second. Hello. Yeah, fine. Then what will happen? So simple. Here, here. So if you right click on it, you need to go to properties, and here we'll have what? ID. So got it right? So anyone have any questions, or can I explain one more time? So this ID is unique ID. So for this text box one is there. So for this one, now see properties. For this one, we have text box two. If someone will ask me now, sir, we kept in order. So always text box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. Now what I will do? I will cut this text box here. I'll paste here, and I will keep this text box here. Now what happened? See, what is the idea of this one now? Properties, text box 2. So it don't follow any order. Okay. Sir, I want to change the ID, sir. I want to change the ID as per my project. And yes, you can happily change. You can change anything here. Okay. Okay, this is what. Sir, you are saying about ID for text box. So will it be there for label? Yes, we will have. Right click on it. Properties. Yes, we have. What about button? Yes, of course. See, this is like your roll number or unique identification. So by using this ID only, we can identify any control in ASP.NET. Got it? Yes or no? Are you guys clear with this? Why we need ID and all, how to identify and all. So anyone have questions, or anyone want me to explain one more time? Okay, so this is too bad. If people are not even responding, and when I unmute also, no one is unmuting and no one is answering questions. Okay, so if I run my application, now what will happen? We'll see. So we got this design. This is fine. But now when I click on button, what I need to do? What I want? I need to display welcome message. Now I am clicking on button. So because I did not enter username, that's why. So password is and this one. So this one. I will click on submit. But it is not showing. Why it is not showing? Welcome message here. People tell me why it is not showing. Why it is not showing welcome message here? Any guess? Correct, correct, correct. So what happened here? We have user interface, HTML design, but we don't have button code. That's the reason. But fine. So that is fine. But what happened here? This is username and it's a text box. Password I am able to see. See now I will open my something here. So Facebook or something. Now if I enter my username and password, then what will happen? Now you people are able to see my password like that. Oh my. So then what you will think? Oh, Vishwa sir, you have very beautiful Facebook ID. So we have taken your screenshot and we can happily send messages from your So then someone will keep one message and keep. So from tomorrow onwards, like so free classes in RSIT or something. People will keep messages like that. Okay. So then what is the security for this password? Then how can we make the password true? So how can we make password true? So now simple, and this one most important. This is the address field, but how it is displaying in single line. Okay, so now how to change that? Simple. Okay, first we need to go to password field, right click on it, properties. Now here you have text mode. So you need to change it to password. Done. That is done. Now similarly for this one, same there only. Here you need to go for multi-line. That's it. So this is done. Okay. And we have other properties for text box. Max length. Okay. So if I want to keep max length to my text box, like I need to enter this many characters, this many things, and then we can go for a property called max length. So see here you have max length. So if you keep some 10, then what will happen? We can enter only 10 characters. If you keep some 6, then what will happen? Only 6 characters can be entered. It will allow 6 characters only. So are you guys clear up to now? No, see, we got it right. See, XY. So then I will keep like Hyderabad, Telangana, Ameerpet, something like. Okay. See, we are getting multi-line. Now try to do multi-line here and see what happened here. Are we able to enter more than 6 characters? See, I'm trying to press. I'm able to do that more than 6 characters. No. Okay. So this is what now password. Now see here. So are you guys able to see now? No, right? So see now, a few days back in our demo session, I told after implementing a small code and all websites and all, you will simply feel like this is nothing. So like whenever you see Facebook design, you'll feel like, oh, this much only. So they did not done anything. You will feel like that. Okay, wait for 6-7 days more. Then you will feel you will have confidence like, okay, I can design Facebook website also. That much confidence you will get. Okay. So now are you guys clear up to now? Yes, no, please tell me. See, this is a new programming again for you guys. Why? Because you have learned C# well, you practiced well, you got the output, you shared the screenshots with me. That is fine. But now this is secondary. So this is different. So I know you people understood C# well, right? So similarly, we need to be equally that much perfect in ASP.NET also. That's what our target for now. Okay, how we can, so means, see, simple. So we need to understand everything properly, then only you will understand. Okay. Okay, so now, so this is one, but still our label is not working because we did not wrote any code. Okay, so now we'll go here. Okay, now go to properties and we'll see if we have any more. We can check this back color, border color and all. This is like just for, look and feel. We can, if you want, we can add font color and all. See, for example, sometimes what will happen, some text boxes will have default text, like, username is there. So if you are working in array chat or something, So then you don't want to you don't want users to allow some text. So then I will keep like Naresh IT. So now what will happen? So save it. See, automatically the value will come here. So if we keep read only, then what will happen? No one can enter anything in that. Okay, see. Okay, that's it. Yeah. Okay. Now run the program again. So what will happen now? In text box one, we won't enter anything. So Naresh IT will be default, by default it will come. Bhaskar, what is that? Max is 6 for min value, sir. See, if you want to set max, min, everything, then we'll have a concept called validations. So there, if we keep range validator, then we can set both max and min. Okay. So see here. So I will try to enter now. So no, nothing is editing. I'm trying to delete. Nothing is happening. Any reason for that? Because of what? Read only. Okay. So got it now, everyone? Yes, no, please confirm. So up to here. So note down up to here only. So mostly I will share this book by Monday. So we almost most of the people joined. So I will share that book, and I'm having that book handy also. So I will share by Monday. So yesterday some 10 people got added to the group. I don't know, not 10, but some people, some 6, 7 people asked me link, and I shared with them. So those who did not join the link, so those people who opted for videos. So if people can message me, I shared my number in that last session, right? So just check the number and just ping message me, so that I can add you people into that group. Okay, so just note down, you can write this label also up to ID. Anyway, text and also we don't need, so but ID is the most important. So Garima, I shared the link with you, right? No. Oh, you know what, yesterday I copy pasted and I did not send you. I just seen. Sorry for that. So yesterday I pasted in the chat, but I did not send. I just seen now. Okay. Yes. Okay. So Saujanya, tell me. You have any doubts, Saujanya? You said I. No, two Saujanyas there. Saujanya B. So today is your first class, Saujanya? You are part of demos, right? I'm just unmuting. So, guys, please note down meanwhile. So,
Hi, sir.
hi, Saujanya. Tell me.
Yeah, I attended the demo sessions, but it took me like to
Okay.
get the link and everything.
Okay. Uh, okay. So, how can I get the notes? Notes I did not. So, Saujanya, I shared my number.
Okay.
Okay. So, this one. Okay. So I will add you in that group and I will share the books and all by Monday.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hmm. So done. So can I go to that program and code? Yes, no, please confirm. If you are done, then I will go. I will write some program for that. So Motorola Moto G. So change your name, man. Okay. So if you change your name, then only I will identify. You don't want to tell your name to anyone. Okay. So God. So now I'm just going here. Now we'll go back, come back. So see, you people understand single line, multi-line, and everything different, right? I'm deleting address now. Okay. Now my target is I will remove this read only and username text also. For understanding purpose, I kept. So read only false and max length is also I'm removing. Okay. Okay. So done. So now what will happen? As we discussed, so we need to double click on button. Double click on button. Now simple. Now people tell me. So where I want to display my output. So tell me on output label. What is the ID for this one? Label 4. Okay. What is that? Label 4. Now again double click on button. Label 4 dot text equals to so what we need to write here? Welcome message, right? Welcome to what is that? Text box 1 dot text, whatever the value we have in our this text box. I don't know what is the ID for this. Text box 2 dot text. See, so when you are writing, see, this T is capital here, B is capital here, T is capital, L is capital, T is capital. Remember those things. Okay, now we'll run the program. So now enter Naresh IT. Okay, or some name. Whose name? So we'll keep the first name Ajay, but two Ajay's there, but one Ajay. Both Ajay's will came one Ajay. So password 12345. Click on submit. Welcome Ajay. So welcome to ASP.NET or something. Okay, see, we displayed the message. This is how we can write the program. Okay. So how we will write now is, so from now, see, I will tell how to write. So first, take this design, username text box, password text box, label, button, after that you need to write like double click on button and write the following code. So like that you need to follow the pattern and this part of code, because all those things will come automatically. So for now you can take this button code. Okay. So this is what our program we will write like this for now, from now. Okay, just note down. Okay, first note down the design. Okay, now double click on button, this line. Okay, so now the same thing we'll write something. What we'll write? So if username and password will hard code something, if both are true, then when I click on submit, it should show welcome here. So for that, double click on the button. If what is the username? Text box ID. Text box 2. Okay. So text box 2 dot text equals to something like tst, and other text box is what? Text box 1 dot text, that means our password, equals to so like this. So test at the rate 123, then display something. Got it? So now welcome only, I will print to only welcome to ASP.NET in this case. Okay, so see, now we'll see. So that means this text box is test, and this one is this one, password is this one, then only it will enter into this one. Otherwise, it don't print anything. Okay. So now people see here something. This one also something. Now submit. We are not getting any output. So now similarly, now what we will do? What is the username? TEST and TEST at the rate 123. So check, cross check now. So both are same. Okay. Now click on submit. Welcome to ASP.NET. We got it now. Yes or no? Because the condition is true. That's the reason we got it. Okay. Now you can keep like example 2, and you can note down this one. Just keep example 2, and because the design is same, right? Yeah, note down. Sorry, Santosh. Sir, why output is coming there? Only where we designed output. So you want to move that to somewhere else in the web page? Yes, you can. So Control X and keep here. Wherever we keep, there only it will get. Is this your question or something else? We will note down. So how we can come to this page? Simple. If you double click on button, then we'll come here. You need to write that line also. Double click on button and write the following code like that. Note down. So Oscar, please connect with our admin so that he can help you for links. So done with that one program. Okay. So the next one I will explain about checkbox now. We have from 5 minutes. Tomorrow I will give one beautiful program for that. So understood about this text box and label. Okay. The checkbox. Basically, the purpose of each checkbox is to select more than one item from group of items. So ID is common for everything. And for checkbox, the most important thing is text property. Okay. And one more is checked equal to true or false. Okay. So what is the checked equal to true or false? I will just show you guys. Okay. So people see here. Correct. So we don't have anything like that. Message box dot show and all. Okay. So people see here. People see here. So checkbox. Now what I will do slowly we will implement all the things for this one. Okay. So now languages or course COURSES. Okay. So okay. So now I just kept courses here. Now how can we drag and drop checkboxes here? Checkboxes. This one. Checkbox one. Now checkbox two. Now checkbox three. So now what will happen? Right click on it. So we'll just see what are the important properties here. So properties. As usual, the ID is the property, first property. So here, the most important one is text. Where is the text? Here it is. So text is, I will just keep .NET. Now Right click on it, properties, Java. Done. And the third one, properties. What is the PHP? Done. See. Now for a checkbox, the most important property is checked equal to true or false. So when it will become true and when it will become false means, so people see here, right click on it, properties, you will have one property called checked equal to true. Where is that? C for checked, this one. So by default, it is always like false. For example, if I keep it as true, then what will happen? See, this got checked now. Run this one and we'll see. See, by default, it got checked. Now I'm just removing that, unchecking that. See, I can check one more than one item at a time. See, see, see. Okay, we can select more than one item or one item like that. Okay, so this is what checkbox related. Tomorrow I will give the theory for this one, and also tomorrow we'll see one program for checkbox. Okay, so any questions here up to now? So anyone have any questions? No. So then what we will do, just practice all these things, and if anyone have questions or something, please get back to me so that I will discuss more on it. Or you can practice, and if you want, you know, if you get any errors or something, just share the screenshot. I will help you for that. Fine. Thanks for joining. We'll meet tomorrow.